Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a pork stew. This is the pork that I slice thin, about 3 pounds or 2 to 3 pounds, and uh, about 2 cups of potatoes, chopped potatoes, 1 red pepper, about 1 cup of carrots, 1 chopped onion, and 2 cloves of garlic right there. And frozen peas, about 1 cup, and tomato sauce. First thing I'm gonna do is put canola oil, or you can use any kind of oil. About 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I will add garlic. Then the chopped onion. And then the pork. Add salt, about 1 teaspoon, and about a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir it. And then cover this until the juice of its own comes out for about 10 to 20 minutes. Add about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and stir it. Add red pepper, carrots, and the potatoes. And simmer for about half an hour. I will add hot water, 1 cup. And continue simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will add tomato sauce, about 14 ounces. Cover for another 5 minutes. The last thing I'm gonna add for vegetable is the 1 cup of peas. Let it simmer for another 2-3 minutes. And about 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. And I think my stew is ready, guys. That would be our supper. Okay. See you in the supper time. And thanks for watching. See you later. Hi, guys. We have to eat our supper here, the stew that I make. Let's have a taste. It's so hot though. I warm it up. Yum, yum. It's so tender. Right?
Very good.
Mm.
You think you like that too, Luna? Think that'd be good?
You wanna want some too?
Got some stew in your dish?
Hey guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
God